to Lawson Street.
G'day folks, Livio Regano with tonight's weather. Strengthening winds are the main forecasting challenge for the Central Coast region this week. The Bureau has already issued a strong wind warning for waters between Bowen and St Lawrence, with an increasing likelihood of showers. After one of the mildest weekends this winter, the mercury continues to err on the warm side, but strengthening trade winds should soon restore the temperature balance. If you look at the satellite loop, it's mostly coastal cloud at the moment, a few smudges of the darker shade, which just indicates that it's low level, a few just off the Wide Bay coast, some off the New South Wales coast. Coming up, the North Tropical Coast has had a couple of showers as well. Inland looks pretty clear. There was a little bit of sea fog over the weekend, which is most unusual. It was stretched from about St Lawrence right down through the Wide Bay, Bargara region. That seems to have cleared now as well. Today's chart, you can see that it's a fairly standard late autumn situation, even though it's the middle of winter. The highs are a little bit further north than usual, and that's allowed the wind to become more onshore. As you can see, the highs are strengthening now. We've got 1,034. And the ridge of higher pressure, judging by the spacing of the isobars along the coast, is increasing already, so winds have started to rise. On tomorrow's chart, we'll probably have a strong wind warning for all tropical waters north of about St Lawrence as the high intensifies to 1,038 and it consolidates over Victoria. That'll also bring an increase in showers to most coastal parts. And on the outlook chart, probably the high reaches peak intensity, though it starts to move out towards the Tasman Sea. Strong wind warning again for tropical waters. And now to the forecast. In coastal waters from Bowen to St Lawrence, a strong wind warning's current for southeasterly winds reaching 30 knots tomorrow, and they'll remain strong right through Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow's high tides in Mackay around 11:22 a.m, Hay Point 11:20, Shute Harbour 11:13. Central Coast and Whitsundays are mostly cloudy day, but only one or two light showers expected. Wednesday, Thursday, no change. Central Highlands and Caulfields, isolated showers only over northeast parts. The rest should be fine. Quite a lot of cloud on Wednesday, but continuing mostly fine. Temperatures for tomorrow, Bowen 25 degrees the top, Mackay 14 to 23, same for Claremont, Moranbah 23 as well. Mackay City forecast, generally windy through the week with the odd stray shower, nothing like wet season rain, so don't stress. One of our local viewers took this photo while visiting China's megacity, Shanghai. Fog may be a natural phenomenon, but it's greatly exacerbated by the presence of airborne pollution particles upon which water vapour readily condenses, creating what we call smog. Thanks Colin Burt for sending in that photo, and thanks everyone else for listening to me waffle about it. Back to you, Rob.
Terrific. Luv, thanks very much, mate. Lovely having a couple of folks, and we'll see you tomorrow. Our email, localnews@7.com.au. From the team, take care. Good night.
Cab at Woodridge.